The client is one of the largest auto service providers in the U.S. They are dedicated to providing top-notch service to its customers, but they faced a challenge: fraudulent claims. Here's how they tackled it with the help of Soothsayer. The company received millions of invoices and claims annually, but some third-party shops were trying to exploit the system with dishonest practices. Manually reviewing each claim was impractical, and the data needed aggregation and analysis. The data was at the invoice line item level. This made it difficult to capture patterns of fraud at the shop level. Plus, the skewed distribution of claims across shops made it harder to identify anomalies. Soothsayer Analytics stepped in. We collaborated closely with the client's fraud investigation team to understand their manual review approach and identified key performance indicators for detecting fraud. We crafted shop-specific metrics to capture both static and dynamic behavior, such as location, types of services provided, and usage of specific POC. Since the client lacked labeled data, we implemented and supervised machine learning algorithms to identify shops with abnormal behavior. Two approaches were used: isolation-based and clustering, to spot potential fraudulent shops. Soothsayer's solution unearthed valuable insights from an otherwise untapped dataset. The client now had a master list of suspicious shops to reference while processing claims. By scrutinizing invoices from the flagged shops, the company established an automated fraud control system, reducing the need for manual audits. Soothsayer Analytics enabled the client to tackle fraud effectively and provide seamless service to their customers. With AI-powered insights, they now stand resilient against dishonest practices.